Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to graph box plot. First I will show you how to graph one box plot for one data set. Then I'll show you how to graph a side-by-side box plot. Also will show you how to graph it horizontally. So first of all, I have some data here. These are salaries of a company A. These are the salary in thousands of dollars. And I want to graph the box plots to illustrate how the data distribute. So I would enter these into Statcrunch. Okay, so you can use low data or you can just enter it. The same data here. And to graph box plot, I do graphic box plot. In the first example, I just want to do the first column, the distribution of company A's salary. So I select salary A, and I can just say create graph, and that's the box plot. This line is the median. This is Q3, this is Q1, and this is the maximum data, and this is the lower data. Okay, and I can also make it nicer by putting it horizontally. So I do box plot salary A, but I check on next to draw a box horizontally. I can also do next to do a title. So I can say the title is box plot for company A salary. Okay, I can say I want the x-axis label to be because it's horizontal, the x-axis label is salary in thousands of dollars, and then the y-axis label is just count, so maybe I'll ignore it. Then I say create graph. So this is a box plot for company A with title and the axis label. Okay. Next, I want to create a side-by-side box plot that show two data set, company A and company B's salary. So I do graphic box plot. I select both data set, and I do next. I want to draw it horizontally, and then I do next to do the axis label. Salary box plot for company A and B. I don't want a grid line. I want them to use the same x-axis. And then I say next. I can say column per page is two column. I have 2 column data per page. And then I do create graph. You see that we have salary A's box plot here. That's kind of like flag, but if I draw it out, and it would be nicer. So this is the box plot for company A and B, and you can see salary B had a higher median entry, but the middle 50% are narrower, so it's less dispersed. But salary B had a very long whisker, because the maximum is very long. So I want to create a modified box plot for salary B because I want to see if there's any outliers. Outliers will be marked as a marker. So I do graphic box plot. Just select salary B. And I need to click on next to ask Statcrunch to use fences or markers to identify outliers, and I want to draw it horizontally. Next is just those the label. I don't need to worry about it, and I say create graph. See how I have one marker here. So that means in this data set there's one outlier. This marker, this outlier used to be the maximum. Now the new maximum become 8 point something, and I have one outlier. So that's how you create modified box plot you check use fences to mark outliers when you do your box plot.